Hi there. Today we are learning about measuring correlation, and correlation is always between two variables here. And we have done in GCSE there are three types of correlation, like positive correlation when line is going up, okay, and negative correlation when line is coming down from y-axis towards x-axis, and no correlation when points are scattered. Yeah. So today we are learning here product moment correlation coefficients. So you can calculate quantitative measures for the strength and type of linear correlation between two variables. And one of this measure, okay, that quantitative measure is known as product moment correlation coefficient, and we denote it by letter R. So this is letter R. We denote it by letter R. So the product moment correlation coefficient describes the linear correlations between two variable, and it can take values between -1 and 1. So its minimum value can be -1 and maximum value can be 1. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to calculate product moment correlation coefficient. So here I have mentioned R, and R is PMCC, product moment correlation coefficients. So we will use calculator here, and in today's lesson I'm going to tell you how to use calculator. Okay. So if you have done your calculation in calculator and R is coming 1, I have told you like its maximum value is 1, minimum value is -1. So if R is coming 1, okay, then we say it is perfect positive correlation. So if R is 1, yeah, then it is perfect positive linear correlation. And if R is equal to -1, then there is a perfect negative linear correlation. Yeah. So when we are talking about the linear correlation, so in the calculator option, we are going for y equal to a plus bx, which I'm going to tell you in next slide. And the closer R is to -1 or 1 is the stronger the negative or positive correlation respectively. And if R is equal to 0, then there is no linear correlation. Okay. In this case, there might still be a non-linear relationship between the variables. But here in this topic, we are just focusing on the linear correlation. I hope this is clear now. Here I have put different example to explain you if R is equal to -1. So because it is negative side, yeah, so it is R -1 will look like this, yeah. And if R is -0.8, so this line is going little bit up in this direction, then it is R equal to -0.8, and this is no correlation when R is 0. And when R is positive 0.3, yeah, so then line will look like this. It is just an example I'm showing you. And if R is equal to 1, then line will be going like this. Okay. So this is just an example to make you understand how scenario will look like if you plot the graph. But in this topic, we are not going to plot the graph. We are just going to find product moment correlation coefficient with the help of calculator. Okay. So here I'm going to show you, we are going to use Casio ClassWiz calculator. So once you open a calculator, it will look like this here. Press menu button. So here I can write down here, press menu button. Once you press menu button, then screen will look like this. Okay. After that, you need to go for option 6 here. Go to option 6. Once you go to option 6, then you will see this screen, yeah, and then select the option 2, y equal to a plus bx. We are going to select this option, y equal to a plus bx, yeah, because we are going for a linear. This is the only one which is going to a straight line, and this is resembling y equal to mx plus c, which you have done, where m is a gradient and c is y-intercept. Okay. And after option 2, hit option button and go for option 4. Okay, go for option 4, and it will be showing you regression calculation, right? So here you can put x values and y value, and after that you need to go for next screen and select the regression calculation. Okay. If you press regression calculation, then you will get three values here, A, B, and R. Okay. So R will be denoting your product moment correlation coefficient, right? I can explain you in the flow chart now. So first of all, you press menu and then go to option 6. After that, go to option 2 and hit option button. Put the values, first values X and second value as a Y, and go for option 4 and select the regression calculator. Okay. If you press regression calculator, then you will get these values of A, B, and R. Okay. So here you will get A, B, and R will be showing product moment correlation coefficient. Now I'm going to give you one question and you need to try and with the help of your calculator. Okay. So here is a question. In a training scheme for young people, the average time taken for each age group to reach a certain level of proficiency was measured. The table below shows the data. Age in X years like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 25. 24 and 25, and average age Y hours is given 12, 11, 10, 9, 11, 8, 9, 7, 6, and 8. So here it is written here, use your calculator to find the value of product moment correlation coefficient for this data. Okay, so we need to use our calculator. So what we are going to do, we will pick up our calculator and put these values. Okay, so first of all, we are going for this option. So first of all, you press menu and go to option 6, and then after that go to option 2, and we are going for this line y equal to a plus bx. Okay, so y equal to a plus bx, and hit option button below, and then we'll put the values now. So once you put it, now screen will show like this. Okay, after that you can see this table. So you can see this is X value. You can put value 16, 17, 18, 19, and so on. And in Y column, you can put value 12, 11, 10, 9, 11, and so on. And after that, go for option 4, and once you go option 4, skin will look like this. So we are going for this option, regression calculator, and if you press number 4, and you'll get then three values of A, B, and C. So your three values of A and B, C, so you will get three values of A, B, and R. Sorry, I said R. C, sorry. So you'll get three values A, B, and R. Then R will give you the product moment correlation coefficient, and your answer will be like this. R is minus 0.8354, that is up to three significant figure. Because this is negative sign, so it is negative correlation, and the relatively older young people took less time to reach the required level. Okay, so here it was asking, describe the correlation between the age and average time taken based on this sample. So what is happening? So because it is negative correlation, the relative older young people took less time to reach the required level. So I hope this is the only thing you should know in this exercise 1B of EDEXCEL S2 mathematics, and just apply this formula you with the help of calculator and complete your exercise 1B of EDEXCEL statistics second year book. And till then, goodbye and thanks for watching. Bye bye.